how to create digital downloads in Canva for Etsy. So hi guys, the first thing that we're going to do is to simply go to canva.com here in our browser and sign into our Canva account. Basically, digital downloads are those that you can download, like for example, evites, or if you do have um like an event and you want to have a poster being made for you, then that's actually a digital download as well. So, in order for us to create a digital download, you can actually start from scratch by customizing the size according to your liking. And in here, if you want to use a template, what we're going to do is here in the search bar, we're simply going to look for our digital download. So say for example, we are going to make an invite for a birthday party. So here, there, you can actually see the downloads. All right. So as for me, I'm going to make an invite. Or if you are also selling a product like an ebook, for instance, you can actually do that one right here. And okay, let's have the free ebook version instead of the invitation. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to customize this one. There are actually other templates that you can make use of as well. So here, I'm just going to make use of this one, the one that we have right here. And basically, I'm just going to edit this one out. Okay. Now we have our free ebook here. Then what we're going to do is to simply change or edit this one right here. So for the background color, I'm going to make a pink one. And here I'm just gonna simply, you know, edit the colors out first. Okay, let's try to see which fits best. All right. Now, the next thing that we're going to do is to simply edit this section right here. The element section, I'm going to search for a book. And there, we actually have our book. We're just simply gonna edit this, add this to the design. So let's send this backward. Okay, and let's just adjust this one right here. Okay, now here, say for example, you're going to sell your own ebook, like freelancing for beginners. All right. Okay, and there you just need to download this one. So add your website. Okay. What we're going to do is we're going to add our website. And let's add available in Etsy. Let's make this smaller and let's reposition it. Okay, there you have it. Now, the next thing that you're going to do after editing is you're going to simply go and hit on the share icon right here. After which, we're going to download it and make sure that we have the PNG or JPEG file type. Hit on download. Okay, now let's just wait for it to download. Okay, now that we have downloaded it, let's go to our Etsy. So here in our Etsy, what we're going to do is to add it to our listing. So here, we're simply gonna add the photo or the digital download that we have created. After which, we are going to input all the details right here in the listing details and simply hit on save and continue. Now, let me show you some examples of digital downloads here on Etsy. So here we're going to our market in Etsy and simply we're going to type in the search bar digital downloads. Now in this section, we're gonna find for like ebooks to download. So here, when you hit on enter, there will basically be a lot of digital downloads, not only for ebook. You just need to scroll down and look for the ebook of your desire. So here, for instance, we have 500 plus self-help books with ebook bundle. And basically right now, we're going to be routed to a separate page where it will show us the listing of the product. So this is how our product listing would look like if we successfully listed our product on Etsy. So there. So basically it costs 231 pesos and 60 cents since it's on sale, and you can actually download 500 plus self-help ebook bundles, and there is also the resale rights there. Okay, so here in this section you can actually see the title of the, you know, and how many people have reviewed on that certain material. So if you hit on download, you can download it through PDF file, basically. Right. So you need to be very descriptive when you are actually inputting your description so that your um customers would also know more about that product that you're selling, especially that it's a digital download. And here are some other examples of our digital downloads. Basically, that's about it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you find this video helpful for you.